Doesn't want to come off. As usual when it's late. This is a good thing. If you're feeling tired, you don't want to do this, just buy them ready peeled, okay? Today it's just you and me. So, okay. Wow, these really are sticking on. Okay, so now the other things we're going to be putting into here, this is a little bit of ground cumin and some hot red pepper flakes. And the red pepper flakes are hot because I guess you can see here, those are the seeds from inside. So that's really what makes them hot. If you want it to, you know, this is about half a teaspoon of each spice here. But if you don't like spicy food so much, I would put in a lot less of this, or just, if you've got some dried red peppers at home, just squeeze the seeds out before putting it in. Now the other things that we're going to be putting in here, red wine vinegar, which gives it a nice tartness, and of course olive oil. And the main event for this is flat leaf Italian parsley. Right, so let me just get the food processor out, and then we'll be chopping away. You know, the recipe calls for a bunch of parsley. Well, that's exactly what this is. And I'm just literally, I'm not going to mess around. It's going to cut the leaf ends off. It's going to have some, you know, if there's any like big stalky bits, I'll move those up, but I'm not really going to get too fussy about it. So I'm going to put that in there. Along with the garlic, and I'm just going to cut this up just a tiny bit, just to make it go easier. Don't have to do it too much. Okay. Now doing this in a food processor, it's going to come out a little bit chunky looking, which is a good thing. Now I'm going to put in the cumin and the hot red peppers, olive oil, and last but not least, the red vinegar. I was going to do that just to rinse out the the oil there. Oh, that's my phone. All right. Ooh. Pulse it. I don't really want it, I don't want it like a sauce, but I just want it to be evenly chopped. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So there we go, we've got our chimichurri.